Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today's video I'm just gonna be unboxing a TXT album, which is Minisode number 3, which is my mom got me from Target while I was home. I don't actually have this one, but this is a really tiny album, and basically it's super cute. I'm really excited what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna be doing a unboxing right now, so let's gonna open it, which is right here, because I opened it really super bad. I don't actually have this one, and I'm really excited who I'm gonna get and what's gonna look inside. And I also ordered something for myself, and I don't know when it's gonna come. Probably either on July 20th or probably July 23rd, but I will keep you guys updated for sure. And I'm definitely gonna do an unboxing video as well. So let's open this baby. Oh, the photo card. I'm gonna be on the side. Oh, I got Kai this time. I'm so happy. He looks so pretty. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Look at him. He looks so beautiful as always. I love his hair like this. Like, it kind of looks bended. Like, why? This is the postcard. So gorgeous. Beautiful. I love his hair. He looks so gorgeous as usual. Look at those beautiful stars and spring lights. Wait, are these postcards? Like, what is this? Wait, this is a postcard? Like, all of them? Beautiful. Like, oh wait, these are all postcards. Oh wow, I didn't even know about this. But I think there's an album in there. So beautiful. Okay, these are postcards. All of them are. So pretty. Okay, I got Kai. Hong Kai. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say it right because I have an accent. Look at this. So beautiful. Like, what in the world? This gives me like a killer picture, which is one of my favorite music by them. But I like all their songs. So pretty. Subin is my bias now. Sorry, Bongyu. Ah, what's cute. But yeah, Sobin stole my heart now. It's Sobin. Sobin became my bias now. I'm sorry, Bongyu. After that killer dance, when they perform in the concert, he's just literally stole my heart. At this point, I can't. There's a lot of photo cards. I mean, postcards, I'm sorry. Like, it's crazy. Pretty. I need to clean my desk because it's dirty. Like, super dirty. Gorgeous. But at least there's a DVD album, because if my mom would not know about this, she would not got me this DVD. Beautiful. This is so pretty. These are the something, I don't know what this is. These are like pictures of the songs, I'm guessing. Yeah, these are like the songs pictures, I would say. That's the stand. There's a DVD. Beautiful. So gorgeous. Love it. I'm probably gonna listen to it today. Oh my god, what is this? I'm guessing this is the... Oh my god, it's so tiny. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes, we love that. And... oh wait, this is stuck on the picture? Oh my gosh. From Honkai. So pretty. Okay, okay. I love it. Wish I had a better desk because this desk is so disgusting. For sure. I don't like this desk. It's so gross. So I love it. It's so beautiful. I love the whole photo card. I mean postcard, I'm sorry. It's corrected. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Let me put it back. I will probably let's see. You look so cute. So pretty. Cute. Oh my god, he stole my heart. Oh. Okay, let's put it on the sleeve just in case. Because it's for... oh good. There you go. It's all good to go. Just in case. Beautiful. Okay, so this is all I have for you guys, and I will see you guys for my other upcoming video, which is the Shine unboxing video, which is gonna be next week of Saturday. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny little unboxing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.